Good morning, everyone. Here's another daily market report to you, brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Wednesday, May 26th, and we do got some news today. Today we happen to have the durable goods orders that came in. This came actually whopping at 2.9%. Their estimate 1.5%, whereas 0 prior month. But if you look down the technicals here, if you take out the exclude the transportation, like the Boeing orders and stuff, it actually came in as a negative. So the headlines read it came up at a whopping 2.9%, but reality is, which these numbers can really be obscured when it comes to dealing with large orders like transportation. Came in actually at a negative, so not the greatest of news. But the the stock markets, as we know, is up. And that's primarily due to the home sales. It came in at a whopping 504,000 for the month, and then estimated was about 425, so obviously up from the prior month. And the question is going to be is, can these home sales sustain itself without the tax credits? So, I guess next couple of months we're going to be real careful to watch these type of numbers as to what's going to happen. More news going on in European banks. They're still facing a difficult dilemma. They're still not really trusting each other, so they're increasing their rates amongst each other. So they could be facing a near credit crisis again, kind of like what we were facing about a year or two ago, where banks just didn't trust one another, especially when in Spain, where the regional bank was bailed out. And then also some good news is that Bernanke had some comments regards to inflation, saying that he doesn't see any, right now seeming kind of tame, and that he doesn't foresee any issues with inflation for quite some time. So these are all pretty good news. So obviously good news for the stock market. Bond market's been down. It started the day off about 12 basis points lower than where it finished yesterday, and right now it's been down about 9 basis points. So we're kind of down. It looks like we could be starting potentially a new trend going downwards. So we'll kind of have to wait and watch. Hopefully we can remain above the 102.20. Otherwise we could be seeing a lot more of a drop here, a lot more room here for it to drop. So we'll definitely want to keep an eye on it, and if anything else changes throughout the day, I will definitely keep you up to date. Have a great day.